Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the perfect place for lash artists, lash bosses, and lash trainers. On today's video, I am going to talk about the 3 things that are going to make you the best lash artist you can be. If you want to make the lash industry your lash career, these tips are really going to help you. The number 1 tip that I highly recommend you do is, of course, to enroll in the right program to learn how to do eyelash extensions. This program should walk you through everything step by step, from how to prep your clients, how to do a consultation, all the way on how to apply volume eyelash extensions, which is the more advanced step of doing eyelash extensions. Now, I know you might be saying, but why do I want to pay for a program when I can learn it on YouTube, or I can go and learn it from my friend? Well, the problem is when you are trying to learn it from YouTube, you are going to find trainings that are going to teach you how to apply eyelash extensions. But they're not going to give you all the steps that it takes up to that point of applying eyelash extensions, which is a lot. There's a lot of things you need to learn about lashes, about glues, about tweezers, about how to treat a client. Remember, clients are the one paying you. So all of these things you are going to learn from a program. Now, when I learned how to do eyelash extensions, I thought that I could learn it on my own. I asked my friend, hey, can you teach me eyelash extensions? She said, yes, all you have to do is watch me for 2 hours. Well, it was a waste of my time and my money because she did charge me for that. And it was a waste of my time because I went back and I thought I had learned something, but in reality, I was applying eyelash extensions the wrong way. So I was doing more damage than good in my business. It wasn't until I took a right training where they taught me how to do everything step by step from the beginning to the end that I became a great lash artist. I learned everything from how to grab an eyelash extension with my tweezer to how to isolate, how to prep, how to do a consultation, all the way onto how to do volume eyelash extensions, which is the more advanced technique of doing lashes. Once you do this, now you are in business. Now you can charge real money. From then, after I learned that you actually need to learn how to do it the right way in order to have a business, I decided to put together a program called Lash Like a Pro online training course. So I transfer everything that I learned in person and I put it into an online class where I teach lash artists how to become the best lash artists they can be. And it teaches everything from the beginning all the way to the end to this program, because I just want to empower women to become successful and become the best lash artists that they can be. So if you want to check out that program, I have it on my website. Highly invite you to go and check it out because it's super easy. You have unlimited access to it, high definition videos, walked you through everything step by step, just exactly how I teach my program live. But now you can do it from anywhere and it's for the fraction of the price. So make sure you take advantage of that. The next tip that I want to give you is that you need to use high quality products. Yes, I know you're tempted to go and buy the cheapest, to go and try to save money there. But when you are doing that, that means that you have to lower your prices. And if you're lowering your prices, you're not making enough. And if you're not making enough, well, you're gonna be burned out and you're not gonna be achieving the financial freedom that you want as fast as possible. It's going to delay that process. If you decide to buy high quality eyelash extension products, then you know you're gonna be successful from the beginning. You're not gonna have clients complaining about your products, cheap products that don't look like, a fancy application, because eyelash extensions should feel and look fancy. So this is how you become a better lash artist, by using the highest quality products that you can find. The number 3, the next step that I highly recommend that you do is to become the best lash artist that you can be, is to put in the practice. All the practice in the world is what's going to make you amazing. So now that you have taken the right training and you know what to do step by step, attract as many people as possible into your business by saying, hey, you know what? I need to practice. I'm gonna give you this set of lashes for free. I know it's the investment of the time and you do want to get paid. However, When you invest this time and this effort, you are going to become better. Therefore, you're going to be able to charge more for your services. You're going to be more confident of what you're doing, and no one is going to ask you to lower your prices. Those are my 3 tips. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget, let me know at the bottom if you took your right program to become a certified lash artist or if you learn on your own. I would love to hear how many people here have really taken the right steps to become a certified lash artist. Also, if you want more information about our products and training, don't forget to go to lashblvd.com. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.